Want to share Threads profile link on Telegram app but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to share Threads profile link on Telegram app. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's begin by launching the Threads app on your device. Then click on the profile icon which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the Share Profile button. Click on the Share To button. Then tap on Telegram from options below. After that, tap on the person that you want to share Threads app link. Now click on the Send icon button. And that's how you can share Threads profile link on Telegram app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.